interesting table which we did a while ago. It was a story. Unfortunately, a father and son on the way. That stone was thrown on them by Arab, a terrorist, and as a result, the car turned over and they were killed. And then the first weeks, the police said no, it was not a terror attack, it was an accident. Somehow the Israeli police tried to show that it is not really a pigua, but in the end, as it was now decided these days, it was definitely a terror attack, and the result was that this terrorist was sentenced as a murderer. Now, imagine this was a table we did a long time ago, and you have here the best meeting of the Torah of this year, Tafshin Ayin Aleph 5771, Elul, when it happened, and then also clearly the name of the father and the son, Asher, Kalmar, and his son, Jonathan, and Pigua. It was really Pigua, terrorist attack. This is the best meeting of the Torah, these names, and Pigua, clearly telling that Bikesh Laorog, they wanted to kill, and it was a terror attack coming here, terror, and amazing, it was a marav, it was an ambush, but they're on the well, Retzor Bepagobo, they want to kill, to murder, while hitting him. This is the stone. Amazingly, as you said, clear table bears significance at this meeting of the date of the terror attack and the name of the people who were killed. And as we said at that time, that it was really a terror attack, and not as the police said it is only an accident. And now, as you said, this case clearly was decided, and this terrorist was sentenced to as a murderer. So, again, interesting example of the table, which was done a while ago, and clearly came out to be true these days.